Hello, my name is Araf and this is my small brother Avik. Welcome to the next episode of Araf Avik Bake Factory. Today we are going to bake some donuts. Now let's get started. But you have to remember this line. Stop looking and get cooking. Yep, remember that. Stop looking and get cooking. Now let's get started.
You did sometime.
Now let's show you the materials and ingredients. Chocolate chip, we'll save that for later. Cocoa powder. Just show that you start with the ingredients. Pancake mix. Some cherries. We'll save that for later. Next, let's move on to the vessels. No. Next is this baking donut mold tray. And next and a measuring vessel. Let's see that here. And a big vessel for mixing, and a very big vessel for mixing it even more. And some sugar. Some hot butter baked from the oven. And a tray, a cloth to wash your hands, a scissor, a spoon, some baking towels.
We're doing wrong, but we'll change it.
So, you remember the line, stop looking and get cooking. So now let's cut this box open. Yep. First take a pancake mix. Then take a big spoon and don't forget to ask your mom or dad to keep your oven on preheat. That's let's talk. I know it. Well, I'm ready to make the black flour, but I have to pour it. Okay. Now you take this packet that was inside the pancake mix. You take the spoon and keep a full flour of this on the measuring bowl. Okay, 3 scoops. Just a little bit more. That's 4 more scoops. Just 1 teaspoon. Just need 2 or maybe I should say 3 more scoops. That's good. Well, that's the last scoop. This is the last one. That is it. Now give me that. Now we'll take the biggest vessel and now we'll lift this bowl and pour the whole thing in here. Yep. Now you will be pouring of the cocoa powder. You remember the cocoa powder does not taste good. Yes. Now we take the spoon and keep the cocoa powder in and pour it here. No, you pour it. Then you take the cocoa powder and then do the full bowl. And you remember his line. Stop looking and get cooking. And remember, the cocoa powder tastes bitter. By the cocoa powder and the flour, and don't leave the mess later, you alligator. And also one more thing, you have to ask your mom for help for cleaning it up. It's okay. Are they actually forgetting something? Are donuts going to be sweet? Yeah, let me think. We forgot the sugar. Okay, I got the sugar right here. Full power. Let's start to mix it. And this is good. Let's use this to mix it with the sugar. This is too small for mixing. Let's keep it in a big vessel. Let's take all of it. I will just go to scoop it. It might be stuck a little bit, so we are using spoon to scoop it. You should just keep it like leaning like this and use a spoon to dig it. Or you can use the spoon to make it unstuck.
eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
Okay, you want to mix it with more with the spatula. And then, oopsie, we forgot something. The chocolate chip cherry. There you can see that chocolate chip. Just leave one more. Next, we're going to keep the cherry. Next, we're going to keep the cherries inside. Wait, I eat the chocolate chip. Alright. Oh, would you like to eat our chocolate chip, right? It's really like nice. So we're going to eat the chocolate chip. Here now, again. Fine, wait. We'll eat them with water.
Stay and I will grow.
Ready the oil with the brush. Very nice. It's fine. It's going to not like how I told you. This big. Sorry. Next one. You want? Look at this one. I went to that part. Oh, I love this one for me. Keep it on. Keep it around. And then you keep it on the baking donut tray.